Hey, what's up everybody? Some of our subscribers asked me to make a new video episode about what's going on at new workshop, so here we are. Yes, we are getting close to the moving. Probably a few weeks and we will start pack everything and drive all stuff over here. So as you can see over there, we're building the building for the air tank and air compressor, and it's gonna be done in 3 days. That actually was gonna be done in 3 days, and after that we're gonna come with the air tanks and put them over there, and after that the roof is gonna be built in a few days. So let's see. So from this side you probably can see mess. Yeah, but actually all of this is gonna be removed and clean. Clean enough for the manufacturer, for the workshop, obviously. So over here, as you can see, we installed first gate, and after the building will be finished, there's gonna be another gate, absolutely same one. So a lot of stuff happened over here. It's the second floor, and as I said in the previous video, we thought that we're gonna place here make a room for the welders, so for the changes and stuff, but we're actually going to move our package department and office over here. So yeah, but it's better to be everyone at one place. So we painted walls, we got nicely done floor, and same situation over here. So if we come outside, you probably can see that small building, and it's going to be a toilet, and it's finishing right now. Yeah, so there's gonna be like 40 people over here, so there's gonna be like a huge toilet. Anyway, and as you can see, there's a cable in our building is coming, and this one is for the power supply. It can handle up to 150 kilowatt, and that is much more than we have right now. So we will able to run mostly any equipment we have at the same time, and it's very important to mention. So as you can see, the process is happening, and we're getting really close when we're gonna move, and it's gonna happen next week and a week after, maybe third week as well. But we're gonna have to make like a huge movie about about this process. And yeah, some of the equipment is going to be really hard to move over here, to transfer. For example, our CNC machines, yeah, and also hydraulic press, which is 7.5 tons. It's like goddamn huge, and we have to take the roof off and have a crane to put it from that building and move it over here. So it's going to be interesting. Anyway, hope you like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask or write us directly. We'd be pleased to help you and answer as much as it possible. And if it's not possible, we're gonna find the answer. So that's it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.